have you destroying the beat with ease. I'm gonna break the moves down for you slow, and then we'll dance into the music like this at the end. Stand up and let's go. Okay, the combo starts with a top rock variation, so it's left foot across, step left foot out, and then step left foot back across again. Then we go into an Indian step, 2 on the same side, so we kick left, right, twist, then you kick right foot in front, left foot, kick right foot, and twist. So let's recap that again. So we start with our top rock variation, we jump, top, step left foot out, step left foot across again on the top, then we Indian step, kick left, right, twist, kick right foot, right foot, and twist. From here we go into a farmer step, so we kick right in front, bring it in across your knee, and then jump both feet out. Then into a groove step, so left in front, left back, and then right in front. Now let's recap all that. So back to the top rock variation, we jump, left across, step left foot out, step left foot across, then Indian steps, we kick left, right, twist, kick right foot, kick left foot, kick right foot, and twist. Then farmer step, kick right in, jump it out, then groove, step left in front, back, and right in front. Then to finish off, we do a grab spin. So you're gonna grab your left foot as you spin on right, twist round, jump it out and in. Let's recap that again. So we top rock across, left out, left foot across. Then we Indian step, kick left, right, twist, kick right foot, right foot, twist. Then we kick right in front, bring it in, jump it out. Then we groove, step left in front, back, right in front. Then we grab that left foot as we spin on right foot, and we jump it out and zip it up. Okay, let's hit that with the music now. So we're gonna hit that 2 times. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, let's go. Hey, if you managed to smash this one, then smash that like button.